I'm a fan. Girl, that's like literally my next outfit. Ooh, is it a skirt? Surprise! Hey cuties! Mwah! So today I am going to be doing a haul from Teemu. So basically, I have been getting requests to try Teemu, also questions, have I ever tried anything from Teemu? Have I ever purchased anything? What are my thoughts on it? And I'm just so happy that Teemu and I partnered up together to give you guys a big haul. Look at the size of this! So first and foremost, thank you so much to Teemu for sponsoring this video. So just to be clarified, they sent me these items for free, and yes, this is a sponsored video, but that doesn't sway my opinions and thoughts and overall feelings about what I'm going to open here. This is my very first time. I really hope everything's good. So if you guys don't know what Teemu is, basically I have seen it all over like TikTok and YouTube. It is a brand new marketplace that's like blowing up because they have affordable, very, very affordable items in so many categories. There's so many things and the savings are like amazing. And I've seen like Jason Derulo, James Charles, Do It on a Dime, and so many other people, like random people that I scroll on TikTok, I see showing Teemu love. So now Miss PiinkSparkles is on that train. Who doesn't like to save money? I mean, what? And that's why I'm here. Have no fear, PiinkSparkles is here. Woo! To the rescue! They also have a free app in the App Store, and it is like going viral. It is trending right now. And if you do download their app, you do get extra savings than you would on their website. New users get first purchase discounts, and it'll save you even more money. And their stuff is already super affordable. I also have a discount code if you guys want to use it for extra money off. And I'm going to go ahead and put their website and all the information in the description down below if you guys just don't want to hear me talk and you guys just want to go click it and you guys just want to watch the haul. So let's dive through everything. I got a wide range of things. They have like literally like makeup, home care, pet stuff, shoes, clothes, like every category you can think of. Like so many like things for organizing your bedroom, your office space, for decorating. Like literally there's something for everyone on there. Kids, men, you name it. If you can see that there, it says Teemu, Teemu, Teemu all over it. So let's give it an open. Enough chit chat. Where the Teemu at? Me punching something and breaking. Okay. Okay. And I've also seen a lot of people in Canada rave about this as well. And girl, you know that I'm Canadian, so it's happy to see when other fellow Canadians are doing it as well. I mean, I love my American viewers and my UK viewers and everywhere else in between. Or above. Wait. I don't know geography. The peroxide has been, oh my god, I almost threw my scissors to my brain. And we're just gonna do like a first impression type thing with everything here. Okay, I hope everything fits me. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It doesn't matter that this is a sponsored video. I'm just gonna be 100% honest. Oh my god, I already know what this is just because how it feels. I have been waiting for this. I was gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna also pop up the prices of each thing so you guys can see how affordable they are. Okay, the packaging comes in, oh my god, they're like branded little packagings here. This is so cute. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna buy one of these, but I've been procrastinating and they have such a good price on this, so I cannot wait, you guys. You guys. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, there's other things in here that I ordered too. That's good that they save plastic. So a lot of companies will just send out like a bunch of these plastic bags. So, oh my god, yeah, a bunch of the jewelry is within here. Okay, we will get to that. But this is what I am. You guys are probably like, is it a spaceship backpack? Are you in your spaceman era? Girl, I wish I was in space. No, I don't. I would say that. Like, I wish I was in space. No, I don't. Like, what? Eating fuzzy ice cream in space with my spoon floating above my head? Girl, bye. This is, I'm gonna have to like take off the plastic and everything in it. But basically, this is a backpack and it's the cutest color ever. It's like a cute like Barbie pink. You can put your cat in here and there's little breathing holes all around it. So I go on walks a lot now and walks with Cooper and Austin's dog. I want to bring I don't think I could put two of my cats in here, but I could at least put one in. And there's like ventilation all around it. Let me know if you guys have ever tried something like this and how it went for you. I'm definitely gonna try it out and I'm gonna insert it right here. Okay. Okay. Is he squished? No? No, okay, we don't want him to be squished. Okay, Shigsy, you're okay, you're okay. If he gets claustrophobic or anything, then we'll immediately take him out. Just going slow. Okay, let me see if I can put him on my back. How does he look? Does he look scared at all?
I think he looks just curious.
What does he look like?
He's looking down the ground. Jesse.
So I think that what we'll do is we'll just keep this open and then like so that he can climb in it and get used to it and then just like at his own pace walk into it and see how it is and everything.
Jesse.
Oh, he's staying in there. He knows it's open. So hopefully that went well. I feel like this was a good price for all the other ones that I've seen online. Okay, I got a couple phone cases and then I'm gonna show you guys some clothes and then we'll get into the jewelry. So the phone cases I got, I was like, oh my god, they're so cheap. Like, they're so cheap. We're gonna hope that they fit my phone. This one here says gummy bears. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a literally like a candy package of gummy bears. I'm gonna put my phone on this. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Oh no. Does it say iPhone 14 Pro Max? That's not what I have. Oh no, I have an iPhone 14 Pro. I don't know. There's probably maybe just like a little bit of confusion there. This one says Pro Max as well, so it's not gonna fit my phone. Well, I'll contact them and tell them, and then I'm sure that they'll send me the ones from my phone. I will just donate those, or I don't know, give them to somebody who has a Pro. Actually, my friend has a Pro Max. One of my friends. This one is so cute though. Oh, look, it's Chucky. Here's Chucky and Tiffany, and it says "See you in hell." I'm actually so sad about this. It's nice and flexible. This one I feel like is much better quality than this one. This one is like, there's like details on here. There's like, you could hear that. It's very flexible as well. These are so adorable. I just wish they fit my phone. It was just like a communication error. No problem. Things happen, right? But so far, I am impressed with the quality. Let's see what else we got. This is a thing of clothes. There's a lot in here. We've got a lot to go through. Okay, here's a little two-piece set. I like how they don't have a bunch of plastic with their items. That's really good. Okay, so this is a little two-piece set. Oh, this is, oh my god, I love the feeling of this. Oh, yes. Okay, they got the right sizing. All right. Okay. So this is like a really simple two-piece outfit. I love two-piece outfits, as you guys know. This is very, very stretchy, so it's going to stretch across my chest, and I know that this is going to fit me. I can see it. And this is like a cross between almost like spandex and like silk, kind of. Like, it is a very interesting, I don't have anything really like this. It has pockets, which I love for going on walks, and I love the high-waisted of this. It makes you look skinny. So definitely excited about that. Okay, we are happy. Okay, the other thing in this little bag is, I hate the feeling of velvet, but I love how velour and velvet looks, but like my internal clock is like, just of the feeling of it. But girl, I just love the way, oh my god, this is a three-piece set, so this is why I got this. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out what this is. Okay, so we got this. So I kind of like grab it like this, and I just like grab it and touch it because you don't feel it as much, rather than like sliding your hands on it. Ugh. This is like the cutest color ever. It is like a green, yellow, fluorescent, neon like highlighter color. Like, I feel like I'm in like grade 6 again and using a highlighter to highlight things that I don't even remember nowadays. But this is a cute little like crop hoodie, and then you have a little bandeau right here. These are all in a medium, by the way. I pretty much got everything in a medium, and I don't know what this is right now. Is it a skirt? Okay, so basically this is like your underwear. Like, this is like a thong. Basically, it's not. You can see that it's just like a little, it's just like sewn in there. It's just a piece of fabric right here. It's not your underwear. You have to like wear underwear if you want. Underwear is optional. Then you tie these together like around your waist, and then it can look like it's like, ooh, peekaboo, you can see my underwear, and it matches my sweater and my shirt. Like, my underwear matches. The curtains match the drapes. Like, so I love this. I love it so much. Girl, that's like literally my next outfit. Let me show you guys some jewelry items. I got shoes, and I can see them right here. You guys know that I struggle to find shoes that fit me. So it's nothing against Teemu if they don't fit me. I just wanted to see. I wanted to get like a good review of everything, like clothes, jewelry, eyelashes. I have some eyelashes I'm going to show you guys because I always get asked like, where do you get your eyelashes? So I have those. There's phone cases, backpacks, shoes. There's lots of things. Let's just go into the lashes first because I know you guys are, oh my god, these are perfect. So the ones I'm wearing right now are very dramatic. I love my dramatic lashes, as you guys know. And you get one, two, 3 pairs of them. They look like this. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to open this up to show you guys. And the prices, you guys, oh, you can still get a glare of them. So I'm gonna open them right up because my ring light is gonna reflect off of them. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at these. They are so fluffy, big. Oh my god, I love Teemu. I'm a fan. Okay, so now I got 4 jewelry items. Let's see here. Oh, Yay! They sent it. This is, oh, I was so excited about this. Okay, this necklace. Open up, girl. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, okay, woohoo! Woo. Okay, this I love. I'm not wearing them right now, but I love like layering gold necklaces or just to wear like one. And this one says 1990. They got that right on the money. Yay! Oh my god, it is so cute. So if you guys have been waiting, if you guys have been waiting to buy a year necklace, they have them. They have like pretty much every year, unless you're born in like 1910. Well, maybe they have 1910. I don't know. Check for yourself. They literally have so many things on their website. Literally, it's crazy. Like whatever you're looking for, I bet you can find there. Oh my god! They also sent it to me in silver as well. And look at that quality. Like it's shiny. The chain is nice and thin. It's not those like thick, bulky chains. It's nice and thin quality. Oh my god. Like look at that. Look at that. Yes. I just love fashion jewelry because if you lose it, it's not that big of a deal. You know what I mean? So, oh, yup. This layered, oh my god. It's a 3-layered necklace here. It's so beautiful in person. Like these little like gold little bars here just like shine, and then it has these 3 little shiny, fake shiny diamonds. That's literally my, oh my god, and it just like hangs so nicely. It's not like bulky. It's so dainty and precious. Ah! And then I think this one is the same one. They're like, girl, you lose all your necklaces, so we're sending you another one. Not Teemu calling me out. We got backup, so it's the same one. A backup, girl. Or I could layer them both and be like extra gaudy. Okay, let's get into the shoes. I really hope these fit. So I'm going to pop them up of me trying them on. You guys will see if they really fit me or not. Okay, ready? So I got some, I love the little dust bags. I got some just like plain strappy heels. I got them in a size 5. Sometimes I can fit a size 5. Sometimes I can't. Some size 5s are smaller fitting than others. So you guys will see when I try these on. I love the strappy moment on here. They look like this and they are so freaking affordable. I know I keep saying that, but like some shoes can like, these would like run you. Like if I went to the mall, I would pay like $50 to $100 for these. Such a good price, and these are so classy. I don't really have shoes like this that fit me, so here's hoping for the best. This is the brand of them, Tinstree. Please do me good, girl. And they're like that plasticky, like I'm living in a Barbie world right now, so I love that. I forget what it's called. Is it called like patent? No. Patent leather? No, it's not. No, it's not, right? They're not too high, they're not too low. Just put it on and go with the flow. All right, next up, something big and exciting. Ooh, a 2-piece outfit. I've been wanting a taupe 2-piece outfit. Like I'm like obsessed. I have so many like colorful ones, but I love wearing these at the airport. They are so comfy. Girl, I was like, you know what? I am literally Yeezy, so I'm living my best Yeezy fantasy right now. These are so lightweight, thank goodness, because even if I'm wearing like a sweatsuit, I don't know what you guys call them, a tracksuit, but it's not track, right? If I'm wearing one of these, I like it to be thin and I don't want it to keep me super warm because I run really hot. But yes, this is the little croppied hoodie right here. And then it's just simple pants. Do they have a pocket? They have a pocket. Even on a road trip, perfect. I have lots of road trips this summer. I know people are gonna be like, summer, like this is not summer. But you can wear a tank top with these and then just like have the air conditioning going. Like I'm obsessed. Yes, I hope everything is looking good on. It feels very good quality and the inside is super fuzzy as you guys can see. So I'm so pleasantly surprised about Teemu so far. Nothing is like low quality or anything like that. So nothing's like broken or came damaged. No, nothing has come damaged. So far so good. We're happy. Oh, this cute dress. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. Oh my god, it's not a dress. It's a, oh. It's little shorts. It's like a little romper 1-piece. I feel like I'm literally a spaceman. I'm literally in my spaceman era. It looks like NASA. NASA? No, it's not NASA. Literally put me in space at this point. But it kind of looks a little see-through, but we will try it on and only trying it on will tell if it is see-through or not. This is so freaking cute. This looks like it's gonna fit and it's really stretchy and forgiving. And also you can choose how much cleavage you want to show. You could be like, or you could also wear like a little like blue like bandeau under this or like a little tank top under this. That would look so cute. 4th of July, anyone? Just kidding, I'm Canadian. Well, I can still be like, woo, 4th of July, you go Americans. Woo! I love everyone. Okay. I swear I'm doing okay today. I'm just in a really good mood. I love trying new websites and being able to save you guys money. I get something out of it. You guys get something out of it. Teemu gets something out of it. I mean, everyone's happy. I mean, somebody's gonna have something negative to say, but you know what? If there wasn't haters, there wouldn't be motivators. I don't know what is why I'm rhyming so much today. I remember everything. It's just, I ordered so much that I'm like, I can't wait to see it in person. But this, I love how I said I remember everything and I thought that was a dress.
Oh my god, it's not a dress, it's little shorts, it's like a little romper.
This, oh my god. Okay, bye. Okay, another one of these little rompers. I call it a romper, some people just call it a one piece. Some people call it, I forget. In the UK, they call it something else. Anyhow, looks like this. I love the colors. It literally looks like cotton candy. I would go golfing in this. This is what I would, let's go golfing. Let's go to the beach. I would wear this to golfing and the beach. Look at this. Oh my god. I love the like little stripes here. The attention to detail is amazing. It's just nice and faint. Again, I'm worried this is gonna be a little see-through, but we will try it on and see. It's very lightweight, perfect for the summer. Very like breathable, you can tell. But yeah, stretchy too, so let's get into it. This, I was like, should I get this? Should I not get this? Is it too extra? But then, you know what? How can I live without being extra or having some kind of extra clothing in my wardrobe, right? I'm really in my spaceman era. These are a statement. This is a choice, okay? And I hope I made the right one. These are freaking cute. They are so lightweight. It's literally like airy. It's like Ari. It's like Ariana. It's like Ariana Grande. This is literally like Ariana Grande. It's something like somebody would wear on stage, right? Oh, I don't know what this is for, actually. Me just putting it right here. You can use this for anything. It's a little belt moment. I guess it could put it, like right here. Like right here. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, this is a medium as well. This is gonna be really boobage, so hope you guys don't mind. And also, like, this would be good for a rave. I don't go to raves, but I go to the club, and everything is accepted there at the club I go to. Or if you wear it just filming on the boat. On the boat would actually be cute because this kind of looks like a bikini. My friends always know that I'm always in crazy outfits, so everyone's always accepting. And my mom knows that I'm like crazy with my outfits too, so my mom wouldn't care that I came up dressed like a, you know, like a spaceman. Ready to brush my teeth in space. I always think it's interesting how you can brush your teeth in space. Anyway, I really like that because it's something that I don't have at all, and I wanted to see the quality of it, because if it was going to be like scratchy or like paper thin, and it's not, or it was going to be like super heavy and a lot of fabric, and it's not. It's like a perfect mix of in between. And then the very last thing from Teemu, and if you guys want me to do more Teemu hauls, hit the thumbs up, let me know, and I will do another Teemu haul, because these things are like, they're worth it. The last thing is a little dress. I've realized like I don't really have like dinner dresses. Like, I have a lot of like hoochie mama clothes and two pieces and stuff like that, and stuff for like just summer and like throwing on stuff and like filming outfits and stuff and like lingerie. But I don't really have a lot. I do have like going out stuff, but I don't have a lot of that. So this is a really perfect thing. Like, this isn't a dress, but it looks like a dress. You know, it has like shorts on it. It kind of looks not the cutest off the hanger, but they have these to tie them and like cinch the waist in to make it like extra flowy. That even looks better right there. So I really hope that this looks cute on me. I hope I made a good choice. I wanted to get like a variety of different things. Like, this is like very Little House on the Prairie meets, I don't know. Yeah, that was my entire haul from Teemu. Remember, you guys can use my code to get more money off, and if you download the Teemu app, you get even more money off, and first time users will also get an extra discount off. So there's lots of ways to save money. There's lots of things. You guys can just go onto their website. It's all down below, down there. And thank you so much to Teemu for sponsoring this video and for choosing me and for wanting to work with me. And the cuties appreciate you for a video and for saving money. So if you guys want more of these, let me know, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye guys! Mwah!